In this video, I'm going to unbox one of the affordable power bank from a reputable brand, that is Philips, and give its first review. So let's start. I got this power bank for rupees 699 from Flipkart. Normally it is sold for around 800 to 900 rupees on Flipkart, and yeah, some kind of offer was going on, so I got it for 700. So the packaging is quite good from Flipkart. It is wrapped in this bubble paper, and yeah, the power bank fits quite well in this box. So let's keep that aside. And so here is the box of the power bank. It says Philips power bank, 11,000 mAh and portable power. It says it can charge the device for 3.7 times with 3 starts. Let us see the conditions that they stamp here. It can charge a phone of 1800 mAh for 3.7 times. That's good. I mean, the iPhones are around, iPhone 6s or iPhone 7 is around 800 mAh. I mean, the battery of the phones. Okay, that's good. It says it has one output of 2.1 amp hour. That should be the fast charging, and 2 for 1 amps. Okay, 2x faster than 1 amp power banks. Okay, all these marketing sheets. Okay, all these marketing sheets. Okay, for tablet वगैरह, yeah. So we can see that the MRP on this box, focus कर ले भाई, yeah. So we can see that the MRP on the box is 2199, that is 2200 inclusive of all taxes. And yeah, I think here's a sticker pasted on other sticker. Let me pull it up here. Okay, wait, I'll see what's there. निकल जा भाई, निकल जा, yeah. ओके, स्टिकर के ऊपर स्टिकर के ऊपर स्टिकर के नीचे स्टिकर पे स्टिकर. Okay, so okay, I don't know why they put this sticker above this, because the MRP on both these stickers are same, that is 2199, that is 2200. Focus कर ले भाई. Yeah, the MRP on the sticker placed below is also 2199, and yeah, also here it is also 2199. I think the font size is a little bigger, that's the difference. Date of packaging is also the same, 5/2018, 4/2018. Okay, everything is same. Imported by, yeah, address is also same. Fine, whatever it is, let's see the box. Okay, it is sealed. Okay, let me fill this. So it comes out like this. Ready. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Okay, I ordered the brown one because I think this color looks the best among black and white. So here is the power bank. Let us keep this in the side for a minute. We get a USB type, okay, a micro USB cable, the user manual, which I don't think anyone will ever see. It says here we have a LED, the power input, this is the power button. Okay, I don't think anybody will need this, so let us throw them aside. So this is the power bank itself, and if you look closely you can see that this thread like structures made of plastic is all over the body, even in the back side. The whole finish is like leather, but it is plastic. The feel of touching it is quite good, like a leather, but yeah, it is plastic. At the front we have this display with the power button. A single click with the power button will show the remaining charge in the device, and as it was said in the box that the device is pre-charged, it was pre-charged. I used it. It was charged up to about 75%. So yeah, it was charged. Here you can see the charge level, and the text here are very crisp. So if you press the power button once, it will show the remaining capacity or the remaining charge in the power bank. If you long press it, it will light the LED on, and believe me, this LED is quite strong. Again, if you long press this power button again, the LED will turn off. So in the left we have 3 USB ports. The first one is 2.1 amps, that is fast charging. It supports fast charging. The rest two are 1 amps. On the top we have the LED and the micro USB port for charging the power bank, that is the input. On the right we have nothing, and at the bottom we have the Philips logo. It says Philips power bank. Capacity is 11,000 mAh. First output is 2.1 amp at 5 volts. The USB 2 and USB 3 are 5 volts at 1 amps. It is made in China. So that's all about. We have this quite good leather finish at the back, at the front, and the Philips branding over here. The USB cable, let us open this. Okay, so this is the length of the cable. Build quality, I think it is good. We can say how good it is after using for few days. So let me show how it behaves when we put it in some phone. Yeah, I don't have a phone which supports USB type C at this moment, so what I'm going to do is that I will charge this emergency light with this power bank. Yeah, jugaad. Okay, when we plug something in, the light automatically glows, and yeah, it shows the remaining charge of the power bank. It looks something like this when it is charging a device. And now let us plug in a power supply to this power bank and see how it behaves when we charge the power bank itself. So yeah, when we put, so let me plug in the USB cable. Yeah, so as you plug in the USB cable, the power indicators go from bottom to top like this, and then the block which we are charging blinks. So after receiving this device, I charged my device, my phone, the Nokia 5, using this power bank. The phone was at 8% and this power bank was around 75% charged. So it charged my phone to around 87% and the battery of this power bank died. So it took around 5 hours, yeah, 4 to 5 hours to fully charge the power bank again. The input voltage for charging the power bank is 5 volt at 2 amps, so yeah, it will definitely take some time to charge up. But yeah, once it is charged, it can give quite good backup. It is 11,000 milliamp hours as compared to the rivals that keeps around 10,000. So yeah, overall it is a good power bank and you can purchase this. And I think this is also a good time to go for it as the price drop is significant in Flipkart. So yeah, that's all for this review. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.